Hello, welcome to another Eagle6 Airsoft video. Richard here. We are going to be talking about this Delta Black. So this one NGRS, which is got a level 10 build on it, and is a new purchase. We've got this with so we've installed the M100 Eagle6. Also, actually, no, I think we've got the FPS 100 from FPS. We've got the two power spacers in there. It was the only way to get the FPS down low enough that it managed to pass through. We've also got the first world problems, too much FPS. So we've got the Psionic R hop, which can often be a contributing factor to that because it's low friction. So and high, it obviously increases the speed of the BB. We've also got the Prometheus 603 275mm barrel. We've got the Prometheus ball bearings. We've got the Prometheus hard gear set 20:1. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded recoil spring for obviously a harder recoil kick. We've got the FPS spring guide. We've got the FPS piston head. We've got the FPS carbon fiber piston. We've got the FPS cylinder head, FPS cylinder, FPS air nozzle. Turn my page. We've got the Prometheus perfect tappet plate. We've got the Prometheus hard selector, the Prometheus anti-reversal latch. We've got the Gate Titan basic edition rear wired. We've got the Warhead brushless motor. So obviously we get the high efficiency, improved battery life, and lack of maintenance, which is good. We've got the we've built this one around 3.2 ammo and FPS. So the requirement was a strict 0.2 sight. So the kind of sights where obviously people, stick 0.2s in there, which obviously we've talked about a trillion times. Obviously it's a rubbish way of chronoing. However, there's still places out there that do it, so we've brought this one at 342 while measured on a 0.2 BB, and we've got 263 on 3.2s. So that's a good result. So you haven't lost too much there, if you know what I mean, by making it safe for all sites, it's only a small reduction there of maybe most would amount to get maybe an extra 10 or 12, so we see that's good, and sometimes it's lower than that, sometimes it's higher. You just it's you just have to take the measurement, and it is what it is. So it's all done, and obviously we're just going to demonstrate it working now. And customer provided, I believe that's ENC, if you know what I mean. I think he said VFC, but there's no trades on there, and it fit differently as well, required less modifications. I'm pretty sure that's a ENC one, if I had to guess. So it's we're just going to demonstrate now. So obviously there's 7.4 1300 battery in there, and it just fits in there easy peasy. So. There we go, all tested. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to help the stock down a bit. So there you go, on camera. So lovely looking gun. We hope you love the build, have fun, and any problems, let us know. Thank you.